In this class, we will learn the introduction to document object model. So DOM acts as a logical structure to HTML pages. It will give us an API to manipulate and contents in the HTML page. We can add, remove, manipulate, or change elements in an HTML page using DOM tree. So first of all, let's discuss what is a DOM tree. So it is created when browser loads a page into the web browser. For example, if this is our HTML page, we have an HTML tag here. Inside that we have a head. Inside that there is several tags. Then inside body there is h1, ul. Inside ul there is li. Several tags are there. So this entire representation, there is a hierarchy. There is a hierarchy means inside HTML there is head and body. Inside head there is meta tags and title. Inside body there is h1, there is ul, and inside ul there is li, li and li. So there is a hierarchy of items or elements in the HTML page structure. So the DOM represents this HTML elements hierarchy. That means parent-child relationship. Corresponding to this page, the DOM tree will look like something like this. So there is HTML tag, and within that HTML tag there is head and body. So head and body are children of HTML. And inside head there is title. Inside body there is h1 and ul. Inside ul there is li, li and li. So this is the DOM structure or DOM tree corresponding to this HTML page. So this acts as a API for us. Using JavaScript we can manipulate this entire HTML page represented by this code. That means we can use JavaScript to access individual elements in this DOM structure, and we can add new elements, we can remove elements, we can change existing elements. So that will be the discussion of upcoming sessions. So we will learn how to use JavaScript to manipulate DOM. We will do the following operations: navigation, manipulation, add or remove inside an HTML page using DOM. That is the end of the session. Thank you.